Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ines Creation Limited. I am thrilled to have you here. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to design an amazing logo using Canva. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your design skill, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to create a professional looking logo with easy, and I will show you few tips to make your design stand out. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our design tips and tricks. Alright, let's get started. First, let's open the Canva and select a blank page template for our logo. Then go to the element and let's search for a shield logo or a shield. Let's go to the graphics panel and let's take this one. Make it bigger. Let's go to the element again and let's search for a education book logo. Let's see which one looks good. Let's take this book and drag it, make it smaller and adjust it in the middle section of the shield. Let's go to the shield and change the color in blue. Change the shade in blue. And let's change the color of book to the same shade of blue. Then go to the element again. Let's search for a school logo. Let's take this or find another one. Let's change the keyword and search higher education logo. Let's take this. Let's again change the keyword, search education school logo. Take this or take this and drag it and make it smaller and adjust it with the book. Make sure the shield, book and the globe logo in the same alignment. And let's change the color of globe. Make it in the same shade of blue of book and shield. Then go to the element again and let's search for a sunshine or sunshine rays. Let's change the keyword and type sun vector illustration. Let's take this and adjust it and behind the globe go to the layer and make it send to back. Adjust it properly and now adjust the sunshine, globe and the book together and now go to the element and search for a ribbon. We are taking a ribbon box. Let's take this ribbon and adjust it under the book. For adjusting, let's make the shield a little bit bigger and now the other elements. make them little bit bigger too and adjust with the ribbon. Now let's change the color of ribbon. We are making it blue too, but keep it as 3 different shades of blue. Now take a text box and type World University. Change the color in white. Let's change the font style too. Let's make it poppies, and now go to the effects, and from the shape we are going to give a curve shape. Make the shape perfect with the ribbon. Adjust it with the ribbon. Here it is, a educational background logo. If you need this type of logo or any kind of design needs like flyer design, brochure design, or in social media post design, or any kind of design, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.